A while back, I had a poll on IG stories asking if anyone was interested in my skincare routine, and for the 7% that said no, you can carry on and hopefully you're prospering. For the 93% who want to learn a little something something, let's go. I'm going to start with my full facial routine. First, if I'm wearing any, gotta remove the makeup. I love these Beyond Belief micellar wipes for gentle removal and refreshing. These are also great for travel and to keep around for hot, sweaty days. Then I like to use Lancome Bifacil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover to grab any remaining mascara or liner. My eyes are super sensitive and this one doesn't burn or irritate me. It contains emollients to condition and hydrate skin at the same time. Next, I like to cleanse with my Spin for Perfect Skin brush and Aveda Botanical Kinetics Gel Cleanser. I have been using Aveda skincare products for almost 3 years now, and the improvement in how my skin performs daily is impressive. I still get minor breakouts here and there, but nothing crazy like I used to, and they heal without permanent hyperpigmentation. I also noticed that my face is less oily overall because it's finally getting proper hydration. After cleansing, I'm ready to steam. I typically do this for about 7 or 8 minutes using purified water in the device. Steam helps soften skin to more effectively exfoliate, perform extractions, and make the skin more elastic overall. This steamer comes with an extraction toolkit that comes in pretty handy. After steaming, I am going to apply my toning mist and use my skin scrubber. This vibrating ultrasonic wave device rejuvenates, removes dirt from pores, leads to improved nutrition absorption in the skin, and increases circulation for better elasticity. You have to use water or toner with this tool to prevent burning. I prefer toner. Also note, you may have some redness, as I do, immediately after using this tool, but don't worry, it only lasts a few minutes. Next, I'm going to exfoliate with Aveda Botanical Kinetics Liquid Exfoliant to fully remove dead skin cells lifted from the steam and scrubber device. I prefer liquid exfoliation as it is less abrasive. You shouldn't be using anything with granules like little scrubber beads, sugar, or salt on your face. Your lips are the exception. Exfoliation should be limited to once or twice a week for most skin types. Now I am going to use Max Lip Scrub and Sweet Brown Sugar to remove dead skin and smooth my lips. I love how this one feels and performs, and you only need a little bit. I use this whenever I need to, not just on full facial days. It's actually a great first step before applying matte lipstick. Now I am going to use my toning mist again to reset my pH. It is time to mask. I have 2 sets that I am using and loving. The Aveda Botanical Kinetics Hydrating Mask is a gel mask that you smooth on with your fingertips and let sit for 10 minutes and rinse off. My other favorite is the new Lancome Genifique Sheet Mask and Serum, which I am going to show you now. So according to the packaging, this mask contains a half a bottle of the serum, so you can see 7 days worth of smoothing, plumping, and intense hydration in 20 minutes. And on the pricier side of sheet mask at $15 a piece, it better be intense. But seriously, I have to say I was definitely impressed in ways I have not been with other sheet masks out here. The hydration levels on this mask are insane, and when you take it out the package and feel that weight on it, you just know it's about to be legit. I especially love to use this one the day before traveling, as flying can really dry out your skin. The serum is supposed to be used daily for upkeep with a few drops applied under your moisturizer. I alternate this one with the Aveda Bright Serum. After 20 minutes, I am peeling this off and massaging in the excess serum. And now for my final step, I am moisturizing my face with Aveda Botanical Kinetics All Sensitive Lotion, followed by MAC Lip Conditioner, which also doubles as a hydrating base under lipstick. For my daily routine, I start with the Aveda Tulasara Radiant Oleation Oil at least 3 times out of the week. Next, I cleanse with my spin brush and Botanical Kinetics Gel, or if I don't do the oleation oil, this is the first step. Then I apply toning mist all over. Next, I apply a thin layer of the Bright Serum. After that, I apply moisturizer in the morning, or at night, I use the soft cream with the wetting mask for eyes. Some nights, I use the Lancome Genifique Serum in place of the Bright Serum. In addition to all these fancy products and tools, nothing is going to do you better than drinking water. I drink about 1 gallon a day. Also, if you have a diet that is high in processed sugar and caffeine, you should consider cutting back on that as well, as it is affecting the texture and overall health of your skin. If you aren't sure what to do, don't just use stuff all willy-nilly because you might cause yourself a problem. See a licensed esthetician for consultation and guidance first.
All right, you got beautiful skin. You got great moisture levels. It's super soft. Good collagen and elastin levels.
I was able to piece together and discover what I needed during my course of study to become a cosmetologist, as it includes skincare in the license. You can find everything I used in this tutorial in the About section below or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.